Hi! Today we won't tell you how to turn your 100 euros into 1,000, but we will tell you how to keep it safe in your pocket and not lose it to inflation. If you're just starting to invest, keep watching and we'll help you avoid fatal mistakes.
Hi, this is Robocash and we are happy to welcome you on our channel.
Here's the rule of thumb. When you are at the very beginning of your path, any investment that sounds too good to be true must be avoided. The first of such investments is day trading. It sounds quite simple. You buy stocks, sell them later when the price goes up, and the difference is all yours. But before you have enough expertise, experience, and a trained hunch for such trading, it is basically gambling. Besides, we're talking about trading against high-frequency trading machines and a crowd of institutional investors that probably know a little more about the market than you do. The chances to beat them on their own field exist, but you can tell they are extremely low when we talk about the long run. The next thing is cryptocurrency and NFTs. It's been a hyped topic for a few years, and we keep hearing stories of success and failures from crypto investors. Crypto can bring you fortune or strip you of all savings if not handled wisely. Bitcoin started its way in 2009. Those who managed to buy it at the floor price back then saw it going up to $40,000 a coin over a decade. Cryptocurrency exchange platforms make trading accessible to nearly everyone, so it may seem like a simple way to earn money. But don't be too quick to judge. The downsides of this investment are high volatility and scams. Crypto coins are infamous for being affected by even subtle things, such as tweets from famous people, and these are almost impossible to predict. Such was the case of Dogecoin when Elon Musk expressed high hopes for the coin that had been created as a joke. Its price spiked. Later, the same Elon Musk called it a hype and made it sink again. Also, beware of scams that are particularly popular in this area. Before trying to buy crypto, start with something less unpredictable and make sure you understand how the particular coin works. Finally, if you are a beginner, avoid hyped stocks. When there is a lot of buzz about some company and you keep hearing that its shares are gaining in price, don't be too quick to buy them. When something is too hyped up, many people would try to get their piece of pie. The increased demand inflates the price, which then inevitably drops once the hype is over. Something similar happened to GameStop when the people of Reddit started to buy its stocks in 2021. The price skyrocketed, but since it was not based on anything but artificially created demand, it fell down quickly. The key thing to successful investing is simple: know where you put your money in. Do not believe in sweet words or recommendations from friends until you are sure you understand how the scheme works. In the end, you don't want to lose your hard-earned money, right? Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel to become a better version of your financial self.